Today's pack is a pack of 1988 Topps baseball cards. Let's see what we have going on in here. This could be a nice Tom Glavine rookie card. Let's see. Gum-wise, let's see. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's half chewy. That's surprising. All right. Reed Nichols, Dave Steve, he was pretty good. Richard Dodson, Mike Trujillo, Julio Franco, was pretty decent. Darren Strawberry, Laurel Hershiser. A pack of good minor stars. Gerald Perry, Bob Rogers, Chuck Finley, Gene Garber, Dave Angle, Hall of Famer Tony La Russa, Bob James, and Doc Gooden. Pretty darn good pack. Kind of fun to get Gooden and Strawberry in the same one.